Vappu is a beloved Finnish holiday that's celebrated with great enthusiasm across the country, particularly in Helsinki. If you're planning to be in Helsinki during Vappu, there are plenty of ways to join in the festivities and celebrate the arrival of spring. Here are some ideas. Enjoy a picnic in one of Helsinki's parks. Helsinki has plenty of beautiful parks that are perfect for a Vappu picnic. Pack some Finnish treats and head to Kaivopuisto or Helsinki Park to enjoy a relaxing afternoon in the spring sunshine. You're likely to see other people enjoying picnics and soaking in the festive atmosphere. Visit the Vappu market at the Senate Square. The Senate Square is a popular gathering place in Helsinki that hosts a Vappu market on the eve of the holiday. Here, you can find traditional Finnish food, drinks, and crafts, as well as students in their white caps and overalls, singing and celebrating. Join in the festivities at the Market Square. The Market Square is another popular location for Vappu celebrations. There, you'll find food stalls serving traditional Finnish treats, live music, and carnival games. It's a great place to immerse yourself in the lively Vappu atmosphere. Watch the Vappu parade. Helsinki usually hosts a Vappu parade that starts at the Market Square and ends at Kaivopuisto Park. The parade is led by students in their traditional outfits and features marching bands, floats, and other groups. Watching the parade is a fun way to get involved in the Vappu celebrations and enjoy the festive spirit. Sample Finnish Vappu treats. Vappu is a time for indulgence, and there are plenty of traditional Finnish treats to try. Tipalipa, monkey, and sima are all popular Vappu treats that you can find at food stalls and cafes throughout Helsinki. Be sure to indulge in these delicious treats while you're celebrating Vappu in Helsinki. Attend a Vappu concert. There are usually several Vappu concerts taking place in Helsinki during the holiday, featuring a range of music genres. Check out the Helsinki events calendar to see what's on offer during your visit and attend a concert to enjoy the festive atmosphere and entertainment. Take a Vappu sauna. Sauna is a beloved Finnish tradition, and Vappu is no exception. Many saunas in Helsinki offer special Vappu deals and promotions, making it the perfect time to relax and unwind after a day of celebrations. In conclusion, Vappu is a wonderful time to experience Finnish culture and celebrate the arrival of spring in Helsinki. Whether you want to join in the festivities, sample traditional Finnish treats, or simply relax in one of Helsinki's beautiful parks, there's something for everyone during Vappu. So embrace the holiday spirit and enjoy a fun-filled Vappu in Helsinki.